Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, I explained allied angles and a few problems on allied angles. Today, I will solve the remaining problems. That is problem number 7. Simplify. Sin 180 plus theta into cos 270 plus theta plus sin 90 minus theta into cos 180 minus theta. Here in allied angles, the first quadrant angles are, once again I repeat this, in first quadrant the angles are 90 minus theta and n times 360 plus theta. The second quadrant angles are 180 minus theta and 90 plus theta. Third quadrant angles are 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta. The fourth quadrant angles are 270 plus theta and 360 minus theta. In first quadrant all the trigonometric functions are positive, that is A. A means in the first quadrant all the trigonometric functions are positive. S in the second quadrant comes under S. S means sine and its reciprocal means 1 by sine. Sine and cosecant are positive in the second quadrant. T in third quadrant tan and cot are positive and the remaining are negative in the third quadrant. The C comes under fourth. Fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive and the remaining are negative in fourth quadrant. In odd multiple of 90 plus or minus theta there is a co-function, that is co-ratio, that is sin function changes to cos, cos changes to sin, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, cosecant changes to secant and secant changes to cosecant. In the given problem, angle 180 minus theta that comes under third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan cot are positive, this sin is negative. In 180 plus theta same ratio, that means that is minus sin theta. Sin of 180 plus theta is minus sin theta. Next 270 plus theta comes under fourth. In the fourth quadrant cos is positive. In the ratio 270 plus theta, the cos function changes to sin, that is sin theta, plus 90 minus theta comes under first quadrant. In the first quadrant all the trigonometric functions are positive. In 90 minus theta there is, in the ratio 90 minus theta there is a change of ratio, that is change of function. The sin function changes to cos, that is a plus cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta is plus cos theta into an angle 180 minus theta comes under second quadrant. In the second quadrant cos is negative and in 180 minus theta same function, that is minus cos theta, that is equal to minus sin theta into plus sin theta is minus sin square theta, plus into this minus is minus, cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Those two term minus sign is common factor, that is minus of sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to minus the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So, the value of the given problem is minus 1. Next problem, simplify secant 90 plus theta into cosecant 180 plus theta plus tan 270 minus theta into cot 360 minus theta. Here an angle 90 plus theta comes under second quadrant. In second quadrant sin function is positive, but secant is negative. Here secant function is there, that is negative, and in 90 plus theta there is co-ratio. In the ratio 90 plus theta there is co-function. The secant function changes to cosecant. That means secant of 90 plus theta is minus cosecant theta. Next, angle 180 plus theta comes under third quadrant. Third quadrant cosecant is negative. In third quadrant tan and cot are positive, cosecant is negative, and 180 ratio, 180 plus theta ratio, there is the same function, means minus cosecant theta. Next, 270 minus theta. An angle 270 minus theta comes under third quadrant. In third quadrant tan and cot are positive, that is here there is tan function, that is positive, and in 270 minus theta the tan function changes to cot, that is the tan of 270 minus theta is plus cot theta. Next, 360 minus theta. An angle 360 minus theta comes under fourth. In fourth quadrant cot is negative. In fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive, but there is cot function, that is and same for, that is in 360 minus theta comes under fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cot is negative. In 360 minus theta same function, that is minus cot theta, that is equal to minus cosecant theta into minus cosecant theta is plus cosecant square theta. Next, this is a plus into plus plus into this minus is minus, cot theta into cot theta is a cot square theta, cosecant square minus cot square is 1. The relation between the trigonometric function, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. In 1 plus cot square theta, when 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta, that is cosecant square minus cot square is 1. Next problem, simplify sin of minus theta plus cos 270 plus theta plus tan 90 plus theta, tan 90 plus theta plus cot 180 plus theta. An angle in fourth quadrant, the fourth quadrant angles are 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, and also minus theta, that is in the fourth quadrant. Here minus theta comes under fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive. Here sin function is there, that is in sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. 270 plus theta, that comes under fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive. In 270 plus theta the cos function changes to sin, that is plus sin theta. Plus 90 plus theta comes under second quadrant. In second quadrant tan is negative. In 90 plus theta the tan changes to cot, that is the tan of 90 plus theta is minus cot theta. An angle 180 plus theta, the ratio 180 plus theta, that comes under third quadrant. In third quadrant cot is positive, and in 180 plus theta same, that is same function, that is a minus sin theta. This is a plus into plus is plus sin theta, that plus into minus is minus cot theta, plus into that plus is plus cot theta. Minus sin theta plus sin theta cancel, minus cot theta plus cot theta cancel. The value of the given problem is 0. Next problem, simplify. Sin 90 minus theta into cos of minus theta into tan 270 plus theta by cos 180 minus theta into cot 180 plus theta, cot 180 plus theta into cosecant 360 plus theta, cosecant 360 plus theta. Here an angle 90 minus theta comes under first quadrant. First quadrant all the trigonometric functions are positive. So that is in the ratio 90 minus theta the sin function changes to cos. That is sin 90 minus theta is cos theta or plus cos theta, and cos of minus theta, an angle minus theta comes under fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos is positive, and in minus theta same function, that is plus cos theta. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. An angle minus theta comes under fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive. Cos of minus theta is plus cos theta. secant of minus theta is minus secant theta. The remaining are negative means sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, tan of minus theta is minus tan theta, cosecant of minus theta is minus cosecant theta, cot of minus theta is minus cot theta. Here an angle 270 plus theta comes under fourth. Fourth, tan is negative. In 270 plus theta, tan changes to cot means that is minus cot theta. The value of tan of 270 plus theta is minus cot theta. By 180 minus theta comes under second. Second quadrant cos is negative. In 180 minus theta carry the same function, that is minus cos theta. Angle 180 plus theta comes under third. Third quadrant cot is positive, and in 180 plus theta same function, that is plus cot theta. An angle 360 plus theta comes under first quadrant. In the first quadrant all the trigonometric functions are positive. Cosecant is positive. In 360 plus theta same ratio, that is same function, that is cosecant theta. Here minus cos theta, here plus into this minus is minus cos theta into cos theta into cot theta by cos theta into cot theta. Here plus into minus is minus into cosecant theta. Here cos theta, that cos theta cancel, cot theta cancel, this minus sign cancel, that is equal to cos theta by cosecant. Cos theta by cosecant theta, we may write cos theta into 1 over cosecant. 1 by cosecant is sin. Cosecant theta is 1 over sin theta, or sin theta equal to 1 over cosecant theta. That is, in place of 1 over cosecant substitute sin theta, that is cos theta into sin theta. The value of the given expression is cos theta into sin theta. Next problem, simplify sin of minus a by cosecant 90 plus a minus tan 180 minus a by cot 270 minus a minus cos 270 plus a by sin 360 plus a. Angle minus a, that comes under fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sin is negative, cos and secant are positive, sin is negative, and the same function means sin of minus a is minus sin a. 90 plus a comes under second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cosecant is a positive. Sorry, this one is not cosecant, cos, this one is cos. Cos of 90 plus a, that is a cos in the 90 plus a, that comes under second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. In 90 plus a, the cos function changes to sin, minus 180 minus a comes under second quadrant. Second quadrant tan is negative, and in 180 minus a same function, that is the sin of minus a is minus sin a, cos of 90 plus a is minus sin a, minus tan of 180 minus a is minus tan a by 270 minus a comes under third quadrant. In third quadrant, cot is positive. In 270 minus a, cot changes to tan, that is tan a, minus 270 plus a comes under fourth quadrant. Cos is negative, cos is positive in fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. In 270 plus a, cos changes to sin, that is sin a, by 360 plus a, that comes under first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all the trigonometric functions are positive and same function, that is sin a. That is sin of minus a is minus sin a, cos of 90 plus a, that is also minus sin a, tan 180 minus a is minus tan a, cot 270 minus a is plus tan a, cos of 270 plus a is plus sin a, sin of 360 plus a is sin a. Here in both numerator and denominator sin a, and that minus sign cancel, that is 1. Here tan a cancel, that is 1. This sin a cancel 1, that is equal to 1. No? This minus divided by plus is minus, into this minus is plus 1, minus 1. This minus 1 plus 1 cancel, the value is 1. The value of the given problem is 1. Next, simplify. Sin 2 pi minus a into tan of minus a into secant 3 pi by 2 minus a by cos pi by 2 minus a into cot pi by 2 plus a into cosecant 2 pi plus a. Pi radian is 180 degree. Here 2 pi means 2 into 180 is 360. That is sin 360 minus a into tan of minus a. Secant 3 into 180 by 2. 180 by 2 is 90. 90 into 3 is 270. Secant 270 minus a by cos 180 by 2 is 90, pi by 2 is 90 minus a into cot 180 by 2 is 90 plus a into cosecant 2 into 180 is 360 plus a, that is equal to angle 360 minus a, that comes under fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sin is negative. Which are positive? Cos and secant are positive. So that is sin of 360 minus a is minus sin a. In 360 minus a, same function. Minus a, that comes under fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant tan is negative. In minus a, same ratio, that is minus tan a. Tan of minus a is minus tan a. In a 270 minus a, In 270 minus a, that comes under third quadrant. Third quadrant, that secant is negative, and in 270 minus a, secant changes to cosecant, that is cosecant a. By an angle 90 minus a comes under first quadrant. First quadrant, all the trigonometric functions are positive. In 90 minus a, cos changes to sin, that is sin a. 90 plus a comes under second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cot is negative. In 90 plus a, the cot function changes to tan, that is tan a. Next, 360 plus a, that comes under first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all the trigonometric functions are positive, and in 360 plus a, same function, that is cosecant a, that is equal to this minus into minus into minus is minus sin a into tan a into cosecant a, by here the plus into minus is minus, into plus is minus, sin a into tan a into cosecant a. This minus minus cancel, sin a cancel, tan a cancel, cosecant a cancel, that is equal to 1. The value of the given problem is 1. If a, b and c, if a, b and c are the angles of the triangle, ABC, angles of the triangle ABC, prove that one sin a plus b equal to sin c, 2 cos b plus c equal to minus cos a, 3 tan a plus c by 2 equal to cot b by 2. Next, cosecant b plus c by 2 equal to secant a by 2. Next, cot 2a plus 2b equal to minus cot 2c, secant (2a plus 2c) equal to secant 2b. The first one is sin of a plus b. In a triangle ABC, the sum of the three angles that must be equal to 180 degree. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. When A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree, A plus B equal to 180 minus C. Or angle B that is equal to 180 minus of, here that is angle A plus C. A plus C equal to 180 minus B, or angle B plus C that is equal to 180 minus A. When A plus B plus C is 180 degree, A plus B is 180 minus C, or A plus C is 180 minus B, or B plus C is 180 minus A. In the first problem, sin of A plus B that is equal to sin C. Here A, what is A plus B? That A plus B is 180 minus C. That is sin A plus B that is equal to sin of 180 minus C. Sin of 180 minus C. Sin 180 minus C comes under second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin is a positive, and in 180 minus theta carry the same function, means that is plus sin C. That is sin A plus B equal to sin C. In the triangle, sin of A plus B is sin C. Next, cos of B plus C. Angle B plus C is 180 minus A. Cos of 180 minus A. Angle 180 minus A comes under second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos is negative. In 180 minus A, same function, means that is minus cos A. Here tan of A plus C by 2 is cot B by 2. Cot of A plus C by 2, sorry, tan of A plus C by 2, tan of A plus C by 2 equal to, here A plus C is 180 minus B, that is a tan this one, that is a tan of 1 A plus C by 2, that is equal to 180 minus B, means 180 is divided by 2 is 90 minus B by 2. An angle 90 minus theta comes under second quadrant. In the second quadrant, the tan changes to cot, and in 90 minus, that is cot B by 2, 90 minus theta comes under first quadrant. First quadrant, all the trigonometric functions are positive. So, that is a tan of A plus C by 2 equal to tan 90 minus B by 2, that is equal to cot B by 2. Here when A plus C equal to 180 minus B, both sides divided by 2, means A plus C whole divided by 2 equal to 180 by 2 minus B by 2. 180 by 2 is 90 minus B by 2. Fourth one, cosecant A plus B by 2, that is equal to cosecant, here A plus B equal to 180 minus C. A plus B is 180 minus C. Divide both sides by 2, means 180, A plus B by 2 equal to 180 by 2 is 90 minus C by 2. In place of A plus B by 2, substitute 90 minus C by 2. That is 90 minus theta comes under first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the trigonometric functions are positive. In 90 minus theta, cosecant changes to secant, that is secant C by 2. The fifth one, cot 2A plus 2b. Here a plus b equal to 180 minus c. When a plus b is 180 minus c, a plus b is 180 minus c. The whole equation is multiplied by 2, then we get 2a plus 2b equal to 360 minus 2c. In place of 2a plus 2b, substitute 360 minus 2c. Here that is cot of 360 minus 2c. 360 minus theta, that comes under fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cot is negative, and in 360 minus theta, same function means minus cot 2c. Cot of 2a plus 2b equal to minus cot 2c. The last one is secant 2b plus 2c. Angle b plus c, that is equal to 180 minus a. Whole equation is multiplied by 2 means 2b plus 2c equal to 360 minus 2a. That is secant of 2b plus 2c is 360 minus 2a. 360 minus theta, this one in the form of 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta comes under fourth quadrant, secant is positive, and in 360 minus theta same function. So secant of 2b plus 2c, that is equal to secant 2a. Next problem. If cos A equal to minus 5 by 12, 5 by 13, minus 5 by 13, where 90 degree less than A less than 180 degree, find the value of 2 sin A plus 3 cos A by 3 sin A minus 4 cos A. Here cos A equal to minus 5 by 13 is given, where 90 degree less than A less than 180 degree. Find the value of 2 sin A plus 3 cos A by 3 sin A minus 4 cos A. Here angle that is in the second quadrant, A is in second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin and cosecant are positive. This one is angle A, the PMO, angle POM is A. Cos A equal to minus 5 by 13 is given. That is cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse. angle A adjacent side is minus 5, hypotenuse is 13. To find the opposite side of an angle A. In the second quadrant, x value is negative and y value is positive. Here that is from the right angle triangle OPM, OP square that is equal to PM square plus MO square. OP is 13, 13 square is 13 into 13 is 169. PM to find, that is PM square. MO is minus 5, that is the minus 5, the whole square is plus 25. 169 minus 25, that is equal to PM square. PM square equal to 169 minus 25 is 144. PM that is equal to square root of 144, that is equal to 12. The value of opposite side of an angle is 12. Here that is adjacent side is minus 5, opposite side is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. From this right angle triangle, write the value of sin A. In the given expression, there are two trigonometric function, that is sin A and cos A. The value of cos A is given. Using this triangle, write the value of sin A. That is sin A, that is equal to opposite side is 12 by hypotenuse is 13. Here that is plus, sin A is positive in the second quadrant. Here A is in the second quadrant. Now take the given expression, that is GE. That is equal to 2 sin A plus 3 cos A by 3 sin A minus 4 cos A, that is equal to 2 into the value of sin A is 12 by 13 plus 3 into cos A is minus 5 by 13. 3 into sin A is 12 by 13 minus 4 into cos A is minus 5 by 13. 2 into 12 is 24 by 13, plus into minus is minus, 3 into 5 is 15 by 13 upon 3 into 12 is 36 by 13, minus into minus plus, 4 into 5 is 20 by 13. The LCM of 13 and 13 is 13. In the numerator, that is 24 minus 15. In the denominator, 13 is LCM, 36 plus 20. This 13 cancel. 24 minus 15 is 9 by 36 plus 20 is 56. The value of the given expression, the given problem is 9 by 56. The next problem is, if cot theta equals, if cot theta equal to (15/8), where 180 degree less than theta less than 270 degree, find the value of secant theta minus tan theta by cosecant theta plus cot theta. Here angle theta, that is in between 180 to 270 degree. 180 to 270 degree, that comes under third quadrant. That means theta is in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. Here the value of cot A, cot theta is given. That cot theta is 15/8. This one is theta P M. Cot theta equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side is 15. Theta adjacent side is 15. Opposite side is 8. In third quadrant, both x and y values are negative. So x here cot theta, here OM is minus 15, MP is minus 8. In third quadrant, both the values of x and y are negative. Here the P, when OM is minus 15, MP is minus 8, the coordinate of the point P is minus 15 comma minus 8. Now find the value of OP, that is OP square, that is equal to OM square plus MP square. OM is minus 15, the whole square is minus 15 into minus 15 is plus 225. MP is minus 8, the whole square is plus 64. 225 plus 64 is 289, that is OP square. OP, that is equal to square root of 289, that is equal to 17. Now by using this triangle, write the values of secant theta, tan theta and cosecant theta. Here the value of cot theta, that is given. Here there are 4 terms, that is secant theta, tan theta, cosecant theta and cot theta in the given expression. Here we know the value of cot theta. Using this triangle, write the values of secant theta, tan theta and cosecant theta. That is secant theta, that is equal to hypotenuse is 17, that is 17 by adjacent side is minus 15. 17 by minus 15 is minus 17 by 15. Next, tan theta. Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side, minus 8 by minus 15. That minus minus cancel, that is equal to 8 by 15. Next, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equal to opposite side is hypotenuse is 17 by opposite side is minus 8. 17 by minus 8, that is equal to minus 17 by 8. Now take the given expression, that is GE, that is equal to secant theta minus tan theta by cosecant theta plus cot theta. Here theta, that is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cot theta value, that is positive, that is given. Here tan theta is positive, secant theta and cosecant theta are negative in the third quadrant. Now substitute the respective values. Secant theta is minus 17 by 15 minus tan theta is 8 by 15, cosecant theta is minus 17 by 8 plus cot theta is 15 by 8. The LCM of 15 and 15 is 15 in the numerator, minus 17 minus 8. Here 8 and 8 LCM is 8, that is minus 17 plus 5, sorry, plus 15. that is equal to minus 17 minus 8 is minus 25 by 15, minus 17 plus 15 is minus 2 by 8. That is a 2 1 is a 2 4 is a 5 5 is a 5 3 is a, that is equal to minus 5 by 3 into, here when we take the divide by sign as multiplication sign, this 4 goes to numerator, 4 by minus 1, that is equal to minus 20 by 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, minus cancel, the value is 20 by 3. The value of the given expression is 20 by 3. Next problem, if secant theta equal to 25 by 24, where 270 less than theta less than 360 degree, find the value of 2 cosecant theta by 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta. Here that is 270 less than theta less than 360 degree means angle theta comes under fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos and secant are positive. Here secant theta value is given, that secant theta is positive in the fourth quadrant. This one is a P, here draw PM perpendicular to Yx, that is secant theta, that is equal to hypotenuse is 25, adjacent side is 24. To find the opposite side of an angle theta, here that is hypotenuse is OP, that is OP square equal to OM square plus MP square. OP is 25, 25 square is 625, OM is 24, 24 square is 576, 24 into 24 is 576 plus MP square, that is 625 minus 576 equal to MP square, that is MP square equal to 625 minus 576 is 49, MP equal to square root of 49, that is equal to 7. Here the opposite side of an angle theta is 7. The theta adjacent side is 24, opposite side is 7, hypotenuse is 25. Now by using this triangle, that is minus 7, because in fourth quadrant x value is a positive, y value is negative. So that is MP value is minus 7 here. That is by using this triangle, write the values of cosecant theta, sin theta and cos theta. That is cosine theta, that is equal to opposite side is 24, opposite side is minus 7, opposite side is minus 7 by hypotenuse is 25. Cos theta, that is equal to adjacent side is 24 by hypotenuse is 25, and cosecant theta, that is equal to hypotenuse is cosecant 25, opposite side is minus 7. 25 by minus 7 is minus 25 by 7. The given expression, that is GE equal to 2 cosecant theta by 2 sin theta plus 4 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta. Now substitute the respective values. In fourth quadrant, sin theta and cosecant theta are negative, cos theta and secant theta values are positive. Your secant theta is plus 25 by 24, that is given. Your cos theta is plus 24 by 25. Now substitute the respective values, means 2 into cosecant is minus 25 by 7 upon 3 into sin theta is minus 7 by 25 plus 4 into cos theta is 24 by 25. That is 2 into minus 25 is minus 50 by 7. 3 into minus 7 is minus 21 by 25. 4 into 24 is 96 by 25. That is equal to minus 50 by 7. 25 is LCM. Here that is minus 21 plus 96. That is equal to minus 50 by 7. 96 minus 21 is 75 by 25. Here 25 3 is 25 1 is 25 3 is, that is equal to minus 50 by 7. When we take the divide by sign as multiplication sign, 1 goes to numerator, 1 by 3. The value of the given expression is minus 50 by 21. Minus 50 by 21 is the value of the given expression. The last problem in this chapter is if tan theta equal to 3 by 4, where theta is acute, find the value of 5 sin theta minus 4 cos theta by 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta. Theta is acute, means that comes under first quadrant. In the first quadrant, that is theta is acute, means that is less than 90 degree, that comes under first quadrant. In the first quadrant, all the trigonometric functions are positive. So that is how we may write here tan theta. When tan theta values are given, sin theta, sin functions or cos functions are in the given expression. Divide both numerator and denominator, each term by tan theta. Divide both numerator and denominator by cos theta. That is 5 into sin theta by cos theta. 5 into sin theta by cos theta minus 4 into cos theta by cos theta upon 3 into sin theta by cos theta minus 2 into cos theta by cos theta. Here this cos cancel, that is equal to 5 tan theta minus 4 by 3 tan theta minus 2. Now substitute the respective value, means 5 into 3 by 4 minus 4 by 3 into 3 by 4 minus 2, that is 15 by 4 minus 4, 9 by 4 minus 2, that is 4 is LCM. In the numerator 15 minus 16, 4 is LCM, 9 minus 8, This 4 cancel, 15 minus 6 is minus 1 by 1. The value of the given expression is minus 1. That completes the problems on allied angles. Continue in the next class. Thank you.